Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can reply to user and viewer comments to your YouTube videos through the YouTube Studio application. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your account on YouTube, make sure that you're logged in, and there are two ways how you can reply to viewers' comments. The first option, guys, would be to access your comment notifications. If these are enabled, guys, you will see a red number next to that bell icon in the top right corner, notifications, indicating that new comments have been posted. So if you click on that bell icon, you will see notifications with also some of the most recently published comments by your viewers. So you may simply click into these or click into these the three dots here to the right and, for example, mute the conversation or hide this notification, or as previously mentioned, click on the given comment to get redirected to the comment to reply to it. The second option, guys, would be to access the YouTube Studio app. To do that, click into your channel name in the top right, click into YouTube Studio, and inside your YouTube Studio, head over to Community here on the left panel, and here go through published comments by your viewers you haven't responded to yet. So simply go through these comments, and after that click on to reply below the given comment and enter your reply here, like thank you, for example. So let me do that really quickly, just like that. And you may post a reply by clicking on this button here. You may also leave a like for your viewer's comment, leave a heart icon, and so on and so forth. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.